Hey, we in Haiti right now. At the Citadel, it's one of the wonders of the world, eighth wonder of the world. And it's literally tens of thousands of feet down here. You can't see it because we're actually in the clouds. It's crazy. Right there.
Headed to our plane, and this is, how do you feel, babe? Yeah, what he said. This is our plane. Hold on.
Oh, God. Oh, no.
Hey guys, right now we're in the clouds. And Jay hates that I keep coming to the edge.
Why you gonna play and shit on Instagram?
Hey,
I don't want to be a statistic.
hey,
Man.
come on, man. Hey, let my shirt go.
Come on, man. You trying to be a statistic?
I'm not a
And we
statistic,
got
bro.
the footage too.
Hey.
We want to fucking freak accidents.
Hey, we lit. Hey, we lit. We lit, guys. We lit. Hey, let my shirt go, man. Got my neck. You gonna stretch my neck?
Come here, man.
I'm good, bro. I'm lit.
Just come this way.
I'm gonna come this way. I gotta get up first, though.
People, they might be calling you down there, alright?
No, they might be calling me down there.
I'm telling
Hey, David.
you. You guys get away from there, man. For real. No, it's no joke, man. For real.
What's up, Miles? We out. Where we at?
Where we at?
Where we at right now?
We
Let
in
me-
Haiti, man.
Where at? Where are we?
Oh, we're in Haiti, in the Citadel, man, you know?
Citadel. Citadel.
Yeah, the Citadel, man. Okay.